Beautiful people, welcome to I Am Leslie Jones. Folks, I'm getting locked up. I've been thinking about getting locks for the past 2 years, contemplating going back and forth, and I have finally decided to do it. I'm super excited. And yes, join me in this journey. My lock journey will be under the beauty and fashion playlist. If you like beauty and fashion and even like to talk about the political issues within the industry, this is the playlist for you. Watch and enjoy. I must give shout outs to my hair inspirations. Number 1, Kiki J. If you don't know her, you need to know, especially if you're part of the lock community or you're considering getting a lock. She is based in Greensboro, South Carolina. Her description and all her information is in the description box. And secondly, well, push me over the top, Princess Ariel. My favorite Disney character has locks. Put a fork in me. I'm done. What was I waiting for? The movie is in theaters now. Let's support Halle Bailey as she makes history. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm on my way to I Love Lulu, a natural hair care salon. Bomb. I'll show you the inside. I'm getting my hair trimmed because, folks, my locks must be on point. You hear me? From the beginning. But what's even more exciting is, guess what? My mom is getting her hair locked with me. What? So I'm super excited about that. So definitely join our hair journey. Mother-daughter tag team, lock life. Let's go. Ooh, art. One thing I love about I Love Lulu is they make your treatments right in front of you. This go round, I'm getting the Detoxic because I need my scalp cleansed. Folks, I'm getting locks. I won't be able to do my regular cleansing routine. So clean scalp and sharp ends is the goal this session. Thank you so much. Charlene, request her when you come here. Folks, this is 6 days later. I did absolutely nothing to my hair but put it up in a afro puff. This is why I'm getting locks, because I don't like doing my hair. Here are the products I will be using. Spray bottle with water and conditioner, frozen gel from I Love Lulu, and bass brushes. This shampoo massage brush, this is all I use to detangle my hair. I am waiting to be approved for the Amazon storefront. Once I am, I have links to products below. Next is the Rosemary and Peppermint Growth Oil. And last but not least, the world famous rat tail comb.
Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes.
When detangling your hair, please start from the bottom and work your way up. I recently sat in some chairs. They went from the scalp and almost ripped through. What? No, unacceptable. Bottom up, not top bottom.
Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes.
When it comes to the middle part, I don't worry about it being perfect because my hair is afro-y and it will just cover the part anyways. So I am at my brother's house in my little niece's bathroom. I usually use pin curl clips, but I forgot them at home. So I'm going to use these clips, and I use them to help me gather my hair as I braid. Did you see that? Springy.
Hey, 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 I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night till the sunrise. Pop back cool, get ready for the ride. Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? Don't it feel? Holy moly, guacamole in my pockets. What a blessing. Got it on me, I got options. Real stepper, check the shoes, get it poppin'. Eating good, feeling good. Where my hopping done at? Put it on a plate with some lemonade. That's the way we did it in the old days. Back then, mama said, get up, walk on play. But you better not come home like this. Street lights, we was young racing. Street lights, carefree was the best time. Fast forward, daydreaming about the next time. When it's gonna happen again, cause I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night till the sunrise. Pop back cool, get ready for the ride. Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? How you feel?
Oh, I'm not done. Edge control.
True vacation. You deserve a day. You deserve a day off. Working for too long, gotta keep back. Turn my cell phone off, wait till I get back. Ooh.
May we acknowledge the Springies. We love the Springies.
So I tell her, let go. Pull up on me. What we on? We did chillin'.
I love it.
Anytime, pull up on me, we the cooler, the chill spot.
Thanks for watching, beautiful people. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button, because folks, welcome to the beginning of my lock journey. Beautiful people, welcome to vision-reality.com, your authentic Kente cloth liaison. Legacy is expressed in the hand weaving technique passed down from generation to generation in Africa through Kente cloth. Let us wear legacy. Folks, I have videos now. There's videos of the chairman of Kente cloth, Stephen Amofa, sharing the story, the meanings, and the origins of each Kente. Folks, if you don't know what Kente cloth is, you can read about it or watch about it, because there's videos as well. This update has made me excited, so you can also visit the website just to learn what Kente cloth is, the significance, how it is made, and hey, there's a little extra stuff there too. So the online store is updated and open. So if you'd like to donate to my journey, you can buy a t-shirt, Unity Through Community.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hello y'all, welcome to the adventures of the animal series.
Is that a liger?
Say hi.
Ready for the ride, wanna feel good.